I will not grow weary, Lord. Hello, hello, hello. We are in part 3 and the last in our series taken from the book Success, One Day at a Time by John C. Maxwell. He wrote 7 steps to success, and we are on his last step, but I've added one more to the list. I've listed all the steps in the description and links to part 1 and 2, so make sure you watch every part to get all you need for success. In part 1, step 1 was make a commitment to grow daily. You won't be sorry. Step 2, value the process more than the events, and life will have more meaning. Step 3, don't wait for inspiration. It may never come, okay? In part 2, we went over step 4, to be willing to sacrifice pleasure for opportunity. It costs you to sacrifice, but the opportunities are worth it. And we have step 5, dream big. Shoot for the top and no less, okay? Step 6 is plan your priorities, or they will not become real and successful. And now step 7, give up to go up. Always trade up. Life is hard no matter what you do. So do what will bring you success. Do those things, not the status quo. The status quo, it won't get you anywhere but mediocrity. If that's where you're at, we aren't going to be close buddies, okay? I won't live there. I can't live there. I decided to trade up. Now, how about you? Come on. It feels great. You know you have meaning. You know you have purpose. Give up the ideas, the people, and the situations that are downward spirals. Trade up to ideas that inspire you, people that motivate in situations that bring learning and growth. You are choosing your path, where to place your movement, and who to do it with. Decide wisely. And if you didn't before, just start now. Now is the beginning of the rest of your life. Remember, this applies to every aspect of your life. And that's the spillover beauty, okay? Now, this is your bonus step. Believe. Believing will make the difference for your life's chances. You can work as hard as you want, but if you're talking crap in your mind, you will eventually find a way to fail. Self-sabotage is what I used to do, and there is no way it's part of my life now. Belief is something you can't see, but it's real and comes through when you go up to bat in life, so to speak. As you step on stage, as you talk to an audience, as you record, you must believe you are ready, good, worthy, practiced, prepared. The more prepared you are, the more you pump your belief. Now, what do you need to do? Okay. Really look at these steps and be honest at how you are applying them to your success. Apply them starting now if you haven't. Okay? Good. I posted links to John C. Maxwell's book and Darren Hardy's Darren Daily below in the description. So please go and check them out. And if you want to know more about me, Go to marquitawaters.com, and also please go check out Singing for a Lifetime there also. It's a woman's membership where we go live and do different vocal exercises each week. And I also started a free Zoom session each Monday at 6:30 Pacific time, where we discuss the topics that we do in these videos, okay? So you can contact me at marquitawaters.com and write Zoom in the message. I'll contact you and see if it's a good fit for you and the members. All right. I really enjoy doing these videos because I know inside them, you're going to find something that you need. You're going to click with something I said, something that makes you motivated to move on your talent. That's what we all have to do. We're here for a purpose, so don't waste your talent. Get moving, okay? All righty. Remember, you got to ring that bell. You got to subscribe. Oh, my gosh. And it is such a day, such a mighty fine day, oh yeah. Such a day, such a mighty fine day. Woohoo! Bye-bye.